Assalamualaikum and greeting to the audience. My name is Ahmad Farhan bin Mohammed from DEC 4C, and for today's video, I'm going to present about my Bible presentation, and my chosen article title is not just the right who can admit feeling uncomfortable about ending a pregnancy, that was written by Ryan Lucy Kosley. Next slide. My first rule is topic. Rule 1. The article title is not just the right who can admit feeling uncomfortable about ending a pregnancy was written by Ryan Lucy Kosley. It's perhaps an informative text as it talks about why pregnancy abortion should be okay and how traumatic abortion feels like. Next slide. The next rule is rule 4, audience. The article is intended for non-specialist audience, which is women, particularly those who are about to terminate pregnancy. This is because the article talks about allowing women to make their own choice in talking about difficult abortions that can improve access to them and how traumatic abortion feels like. This is stated in the line, for as long as the assault on women's reproductive rights continues around the world, it feels taboo to talk about abortion in any other way. It is a privilege to be able to make an appointment, take the pills if it is early enough, and get on with our lives. What has become difficult to acknowledge is that for some women, even a legal safe abortion can be a traumatic experience. The writer also draws an example from a story that tells about diary abortion, the grief and the pain by Lucy Burns, a woman who went through a very traumatic abortion. The story mentioned how traumatic the abortion was for her when she was traumatized that her mental health will be affected by the abortion decision that has the risk to hurt herself. The language used by the writer is simple and connect the target audience with the issue and the context of the discussion. Next slide. Rule 5, rhetorical function. The article is written to explain the readers about traumatic diary abortion and its aftermath that gave torment and pain. An example has been explained that traumatic happens to a narrator because people might not agree with her choice of abortion, and adapting to abortion means is just not as easy as we thought. This could be seen in the paragraph 3, telling people about it compulsively and scrolling through anti-abortion memes on the internet. It somehow managed to both truthfully convey the trauma of one woman's abortion while also being resolutely pro-choice. It's got a balance in these polarized times. Furthermore, the importance for women to feel left out due to traumatic abortion was also in discussion. In paragraph 11, the author strongly urged to stay strong after abortion by saying women who find their abortion traumatic should not feel as alone in their pain as she did, which is Lucy Burns, and their reaction is a part of a range of experiences that deserve to be heard. Next slide. The next rule that I chose is rule 6, purpose. The purpose of the article is to inform to the readers about women that getting abortion should feel comfortable, not feeling vice versa, to raise an awareness how traumatic abortion feels like. The arguments made by the writer were ignited by a law that regulates abortion as illegal in the States and a story about a fighter named Lucy Burns that shares how traumatic abortion is. The writer informed on abortion is illegal in Texas, United States. The system is assaulting on women's reproductive rights continues, and this has made women have less access to their right. Furthermore, the writer pointed out that traumatic feeling due to abortion is not an easy thing because it's about making the hardest decision and mixed with all of our emotions. Grief and pain are a must material in terminating pregnancy. Her view is reflected based on her background being involved in women's movement. For instance, she has extensive radio experience, having appeared on Radio Force Women's Hour and the Today program, amongst many others. The knowledge and experience that she gained from the Radio Force Women's Hour in raising awareness and talk about women's rights were implied in the article when she mentioned that instead of forcing women into polarized positions, we need to acknowledge the full spectrum of emotions, including those of women such as Burns, who defines it as the worst experience of her life. I think we are ready for that conversation, challenging though it is. Next slide. Rule 7, perspective. The writer believed that women should have more access for their reproductive rights. This is because the world becomes sensitive and critics to talk about abortion, and in fact, some countries ban abortion, resulting women have no space to widen their rights. This can be seen in paragraph 2. For as long as the assault on women's reproductive rights continues around the world, it feels taboo to talk about abortion in any other way. I totally agree with the writer's stand because women have constitutional right to have an abortion. According to Ranking 2015, a research that I did, in its landmark 1973 ruling in Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court established a right to personal privacy that includes a woman's right to determine whether or not to bear a child. This explains on how the law cannot restrict a woman's access to abortion prior to the point of fetal viability, which is the important part of a woman's body. Furthermore, the second factor that why women should have more access is because reproductive choice empowers women by giving them control over their own bodies. According to Procon ORG 2019, the choice over whether to have children is central to a woman's independence and ability to determine her future. This could mean that the access that women should gain is the woman's choice themselves. They need to choose in order to grow, not being stopped. Lastly, abortion is a lifesaver without we are knowing. This is because abortions are sometimes needed to save the lives or health of pregnant women. According to Painter 2012, abortions are sometimes needed to save the lives or health of pregnant women. In short, this indicates that women's right to access what they want is not a total disadvantage after all. It is a method to stand up for what's right. Next slide. Rule 8, positioning. The article describes women as a victim because their abortion rights has been taken away and judged. It happens when the law in Texas, United States has said that abortion is illegal, and the mentality of people judging to women who are going to terminate their pregnancy by making memes of anti-abortion and etc. Women has no reproductive rights and total comfort in terminating pregnancy. The writer stated that for as long as the assault on women's reproductive rights continues around the world, it feels taboo to talk about abortion in any other way. This could mean that other women's issues are underestimated, whereas abortion feels like the biggest issue that the society can blame on and talk about. Next is the article describes the United States as unprofessional because the states is still embroiled with too many emotion and includes religious arguments to abortion case. The article mentioned that it is believed that the states is not fully ready to legalize abortion just because abortion does not seem to be safe and complex. The writer mentioned that though Saint Francis is an American film, I am unsure the US is fully ready, being as it is still bogged down in emotive religious arguments about when life begins. It is notable that Burns' book has not yet found a US publisher. This could mean that the States is not ideal in terms of managing and accepting abortion. Next slide, which is the last rule for my presentation, which is Rule 9, impact. The effect on the readers is highly to be successful, as the writer discussed about women should admit feeling comfortable about ending a pregnancy is a positive thing. Readers were encouraged to believe that getting abortion is okay, even though there will be the drawbacks such as trauma. The writer encouraged the readers by saying uplifting words in the article, as she mentioned the right should not own uncomfortable feelings about abortion, and particularly in Britain. Talking about them could help lay a path to an improved legal situation. The article likely managed to change the people's perception towards abortion, that terminating the child inside the stomach should be fine to some women who find it is the hardest decision in their life. Next slide. Thank you so much. That's all from me. I hope you enjoy the video and understand my explanations. See you in the Q&A session. Thank you, everyone.